and that's to call and ask very pointed questions. Like, what do you need to get tenure? What's the typical starting salary range?
In review, under review, so you can say in progress or under review. Put it down here.
The seminars, the sessions, they feed information to us, and I'm like, whoa, I never thought of that. And it's realistic. It's nothing to be made up, but it's information that's very important.
I'm never gonna forget the one workshop that I went to. I was starting to analyze my data, and it was a workshop on statistics. And to me, I wasn't the best person on statistics. So I took the workshop, and it was eye-opening. And right now, I'm the TA for the statistics class in my school. So it was just, it's been great.
And to help you take this. That's very helpful. Elaboration where there's that lack of communication.
How do you negotiate your first offer and navigate the interview process for an entry-level tenure track position? How do you wrap up your dissertation when, you know, you've got writer's block or anxiety or life comes at you fast and you've got to manage priorities? For people like me who come back every year, we can find a little something different every year depending on where we are in our process.
Every year that I came here, I got all the tools that I needed to be successful, writing a dissertation, preparing for my defense, networking and meeting new collaborators. The Institute has been really a place where I can come and connect.